My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups and fake human verification alerts that are related to the site Outedcenter.club. Outedcenter.club is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and many other browsers. It tries to make you click on the allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. However, if you mistakenly click on the allow button, your browser will be hijacked and contaminated with plenty of annoying advertisements. So if you do not want to see these annoying advertisements to pop up on your screen, you need to get your browser fixed. So access the menu of the browser, go to settings, choose privacy and security in the left part. Go down until you find site settings. Click on it and in permissions choose notifications. Remove the junk sites from the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.